Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to source for serious gear and smart upgrades. Today, we're talking about something every Blackmagic Cinema Camera user needs: the SmallRig Camera Cage Basic Kit, designed specifically for the Blackmagic Design Cinema Camera 6K. This is model 4574, and it's not just a cage, it's a fully modular, professional-grade rig system, built to give your BMCC 6K more functionality, more flexibility, and the protection it deserves. Right out of the box, this full cage wraps perfectly around your Blackmagic 6K body, giving you a secure, stable, and rugged frame to mount accessories without blocking any buttons, vents, or card slots. It's CNC machined aluminum, super lightweight yet durable, and provides multiple 1/4-20 and 3/8-16 threaded holes, as well as NATO rails and cold shoe mounts for ultimate versatility. Included in the kit is a removable top handle, which gives you low-angle control and secure handheld movement essential for run-and-gun filmmakers. It's comfortable, solid, and packed with mounting points of its own for mics, monitors, or wireless transmitters. Need to mount your SSD for external recording? No problem. The kit includes a dedicated SSD mount bracket, compatible with Samsung T5 and T7 drives, keeping your setup compact and organized. Cable management covered. The cable clamp helps protect your HDMI and USB-C cables from accidental strain or disconnection, a must when recording externally or running power for long shoots. And finally, there's the lens mount adapter support, which helps reduce stress on the lens mount when using heavier lenses or a focal reducer. This is a game changer for cine-style glass or heavy zooms. Whether you're shooting documentaries, YouTube content, music videos, or commercial work, this cage setup transforms your BMCC 6K into a true production rig. It's modular, expandable, and rock-solid, exactly what you want when working with high-end cinema gear. If you're serious about filmmaking and want to protect and elevate your Blackmagic 6K setup, the SmallRig 4574 kit is one of the best investments you can make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the link below to upgrade your rig with the SmallRig Camera Cage Kit today.